I hope everybody is doing well. So for this short video, especially for my friends here in the USA, we have 8x10 photo print that we can just pick up at Walgreen. If you guys have a Walgreen account, and even if you don't have, you can sign up, and that's for free. And I'll show you the steps. Okay, those are the steps that you just have to follow if you're using your laptop or your phone, whatever device you have, and send your picture at the Walgreens app, and then take note they have several sizes. So the free this week is 8x10, so you have to pick that size and send your order to the nearest Walgreens close to you. And upon checking out, you have to type that code free 8x10 to avail this promo. So it's gonna be free. You just pick it up and walk out the store for a free item. And this is very it's very often. I mean, I have like 20 or more than 20 pictures that I availed from this deal. So you just have to watch out for whenever they will give this free item. And if you don't like any pictures, you can always give this to any loved ones or friends as a gift. So I'll show you all my collections. So these are all 8x10 that I got from them, and I collected this as a gift for family or anybody. Yeah. Okay, so those are all. This is the 8x10, guys. So there you go. If you like any free item for this week, go to walgreen.com and print your picture. Have a good weekend, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.